So today we're going to unbox VO.TEMM 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So, ayun, I just got home from work and inuna ko pa to kaysa kumain ng dinner. Here. So, pasensya na kayo kasi hindi ako marunong mag-edit ng videos. What you see is actually real. No edits, no filters. Excited lang ako kasi ayun, napabili ako ng vacuum cleaner gawa nga nung nangyaring ashfall due to Taal eruption. So, hindi ko pa actually na-view yung manual kung ano pa talaga yung mga items na kasama dito sa package. So, I bought this VO.TEMM 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner from O Shopping, and this cost around 3,000 pesos. Ayun. So, mas mura na diba yung 3,000 pesos kaysa magkasakit tayo sa dust. So, there's I think this is the handle. So, bakit nga ba siya nasabing 4-in-1? So, basahin ko na lang dito. So, we have floor brush, the 360 degrees brush, the crevice nozzle, and the bed brush. So, what's inside this box? Let's open. Also, I think this is the main floor brush. And this one, hindi ko pa siya nakikita, but I think this one is the bed brush. Oops! I was wrong. Dalawa sila. Oh, hindi. Apat. It already includes the cover. Yeah. The bed brush. The strap. Because hindi mo lang siya hahawakan yung vacuum. You can also carry it using the strap. And then this one is I think this is the multifunction brush. Diba? Napabili ako ng vacuum wala sa oras. Oh, and this is the manual. Sorry, ako kasi yung tao na hindi talaga nag-follow ng instruction. Basta gamitin ko lang siya for my purpose, but I think I'm going to read this one. Baka masira agad. And this is I think it's the tube, no? For extension, para syempre pati yung bubong is maabot ko. Hindi naman bubong. Actually, napalinis na namin yung bubong eh. Yung ano lang, yung ceiling. And then this is the main, yeah. Oops. This is the cord, power cord, and this is the main, what do you call this one? I think this is the container of the dust. And that's it. So, ayan. Wala naman na natira dito sa box. Ayan. Puro ano na. So, ayun. So, I bought this from O Shopping. And this cost me around 200 pesos shipping fee. Because I asked them to deliver the vacuum in my work address. And why? Because if it will be delivered here in our home, it will cost me 300 pesos. So, nagpakahirap na lang akong iuwi. Actually, I can ask my husband na iuwi tong vacuum na to, but strong tayo eh. Wonder Woman tayo. So, kaya natin iuwi yan kahit gaano kabigat. And that's the life hack actually. At check mo muna kung saan yung mas murang shipping fee, then doon mo ipadala yung item. Either work, or your address, or etc. Kahit sa kaibigan mo. Basta, nandun siya para mag-accept ng item. And last but not least, I ordered this last Friday. I think it's January 17. And January 18 is ready for delivery na siya. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Try to order via O-Shopping at hindi kayo magsisisi. I'll give them 5 out of 5. Thank you! Bye!